gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to this very special morning assembly. We are excited to begin our day with line of inspiration, creativity, and values. Let's this morning fill our hearts with gratitude and our minds with enthusiasm. Thank you. Thank you for that warm and cheerful welcome. Let us now move on to the next segment of our assembly, the thought of the day, which will inspire and guide us. I invite people to share today's thought. Thought for the day. A computer is like a bicycle. For the mind, it helps us go further, faster, and smarter by teacher. Thank you. Thank you for the thoughtful and inspiring message. A great thought truly helps us start the day with the right mindset. Now comes the most exciting and educational part of today's assembly, a short presentation on the parts of a computer. We all use computers in our daily life, but do we really know how they work and what each part does? Let's welcome the students of class 3rd A who will now take us through an informative session. This is the monitor. A computer monitor is an output device that displays visuals, information like text, images, and videos. This is the CPU. The CPU is the brain of the computer that execute instruction and perform calculation. This is the keyboard, the input device used to enter letters, numbers, and symbols by pressing keys. This is a mouse used to select and interact with items on the screen. This is the printer. A computer printer is a hardware device that produces a hard copy of digital document in images by the transferring the text and graphics onto paper or other media. This is a speaker. A computer speaker is an output device that produces sound by converting electrical signal into audible sound waves. Informative and enjoyable. Thank you, dear friends, for helping us understand the basic parts of a computer so clearly and creatively. As we come to end of today's assembly, I would like to invite Meera to propose the vote of thanks. We are sincerely grateful our respected principal and our dear teachers to this opportunity. I have to thank you to all our friends contributed to the success of today's assembly with their enthusiasm and participation. Thank you. Let's carry the learning from today forward and remember to use technology wisely, safely, and responsibly. Wishing everyone a joyful, meaningful, and productive day ahead. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
ಭಾರತದ ಪ್ರಜೆಯಾದ ನಾನು ಬಾಲ್ಯ ವಿವಾಹ ನಿಷೇಧ ಕಾಯ್ದೆ 2006ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಬಾಲ್ಯ ವಿವಾಹ ಶಿಕ್ಷಾರ್ಹ ಅಪರಾಧ ಆಗಿರುವುದರಿಂದ 18 ವರ್ಷದೊಳಗಿನ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮತ್ತು 21 ವರ್ಷದೊಳಗಿನ ಗಂಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ